but most of the tractors are gone. Here's a John Deere 630 corn picker, and a wagon back behind it. John Deere 630, John Deere Gravely cultivator, lifted Honda 4-tracks, and that's all it's here this year for the tractor part. That's there at the sawmill. Steam engine. John Deere 120. Alice Chalmers 916. There's a 140 John Deere. Two 140s. The David Bradley Tri-Vac or Tri-Track. Single plow on the back. Some more garden tractors up here, and they have a big barn with a stage and stuff inside. Way over there's an old steam tractor going. That's a gas tractor, not steam tractor, but very, very old. We're gonna walk over to the car show now and see that Superbird. Got a steam engine right there though. Got a homemade ice cream stand. Got a cotton gin in there. The sawmill on the far side of it. Here's the car show. A lot of the cars left already, but what I want to see is still here. 1970 Plymouth Superbird.
Is that Mater? Here, stay right here.
All blue with a steering wheel. Beep beep. Very cool. This was here last year too. There's a John Deere 420. There you can see the sawmill over there. And they have a 1938 Mater truck. Waylon, who's that? Say, who's that, Waylon? Who is that? Is that Mater? Say, they love cars. Look at that F600. Fall Festival, Huckleberry Trail Farm. Come here, Waylon. Shoot. F350. Four-wheeler on the back. 4-speed. There's a number if you want to buy the four-wheeler. 1957 Chevy. All white, pearl white. Beautiful car. And they have a few 18-wheeler trucks. Last year they had a whole bunch of Model Ts and Model As. A whole lot more muscle cars, but not too many at all this year. Everybody left already. Got a Bull Rider on there. Transtar International. And back. Waylon, come on. Kenworth, that's a good looking truck. Superbird. Sawmill over there. They have a lot of old buildings here that they moved here from other places. JCB equipment over there. Got bounce houses here for the kids. That JCB over there. That's cool. And this is the flea market section of it. That's cool. And it too was a lot smaller this year. There's a little creek. There's an old corn crib. An old barn. Blacksmith shop. There's the old barn. It's a pull behind cart. There's a grain drill, looks like. Planter. Old wagon. Another old wagon. Looks like it might have been an old covered wagon. Here's an old log cabin they put in here. Log house circa 1850. Home of a Confederate soldier, donated by the Teague family. Stone steps. A lot to take in here. Wall clock, nice heavy table, spinning wheel, ladder to go up to the loft. There's an upstairs loft, stone fireplace, old bed, another spinning wheel, a loom, some old chairs, very old rocking chair, some tobacco hanging there, old oil lamp, water vase, iron and board, wash pot. And the outside of it. Here's the privy outhouse, a smokehouse where they put the meat in to smoke it and cure it. Here's a tobacco shed, tobacco barn. They put the wood down in here, build the fires down in. Tobacco barn circa 1850. Originally built as a home, later moved and converted by Dana and Emma Perry. And they got the tobacco hanging in there. And the heat from the fire in there smokes it. There you go. Then they have some tobacco here hanging on drying racks outside here. And there's bundles of wood that they would stick in there for the fire. Covered wagons and camp stoves and chuck wagons here. There's the cabin. Then they had demonstrations up there going last year. I don't know if they're doing that this year or not. There's the barn. Got four-wheeler. There's more tractors up here ahead. John Deere 70 and another one. There's an old hay rake. They're a really nice F-250. Hit and miss engines. I hear you talking, Weston. There's a steam engine. There's another sawmill right there. International Harvester, Chapter 42, 404 International. John Deere 1070. Massey Ferguson, new tractor. Oliver 1650. John Deere 4000 diesel. That's cool. So look at that. It's running the well, pump it out. That's really cool. Hit and miss engines running the belt there to turn that to pump the water out. Got a covered wagon out here. There you go. A big old bench seat up there. And here's where they do the plowing. Yeah, a little carousel there to spin that wheel to use the horsepower to operate equipment. Here's right here where they were plowing up with the horses. Last year I got a little bit of that on video. Here, hold your hand up for him. Last few years they've had two of these big horses here, but this one here this year. Last year they had mules too, but they hook him up to a plow and plow the field. There's a good picture too. If you want to see some video of it plowing, check out my video from last year. I have a couple minutes of them using the horse to plow the field right there. It's starting to rain a little